here at Secrets Playa Blanca in Costa Mujeres, and lucky enough to get a room tour. This is the Junior Suite Swim Out King. There's preferred club and non-preferred club, so depending on the amenities, if you want to have access to the preferred club lounge and additional amenities like normally it's a preferred club section at the beach and a pool, then you would want to book it as a preferred club. If not, the regular Junior Swim Out King will look the same as far as room categories go. So it will look exactly the same. You just get additional amenities and benefits with the preferred club. Absolutely stunning. Again, this is Secrets Playa Blanca. It's only been open for a few months and they're still working on continuing to complete construction, but it is great, and the areas that are still under construction will not impact your stay. And they're expecting this to fully be complete right around the end of June 2024. Love this swim out pool.